Good day, and welcome back to another episode on Game Tech Electronics Hobby House. Today, we're going to do up a follow-up from last week, and we're going to take a look at the Philps Hue Bloom. Now, I'd gotten this for a present, and I'm going to tell you something right off the bat. Don't buy it. Do not buy it. It is just a piece of junk. No, seriously, this thing is so terrible. The first one I had gotten, new out of the box, plugged it in, you were supposed to get a nice warm glow when you first started up. I did not. No power whatsoever. Since it was a present, I thought, whatever, we'll take it back, we'll get another one, we'll plug it in, see if it works. If it does, then we'll go ahead and just leave it, never touch it again, and that's where it's going to live. So that's what it's doing back there. It's just living there. It's not doing anything else but just staying there. So I'm not going to be able to show you the actual unit itself besides what's on the box. But I will say, connecting it, all you have to do is have it near your Philips Hue hub. When you go to add it to your devices, press the button, it'll sync up, add it, put it to your room you want, and then you'll be able to control that with your Google Home or any other device like the Amazon Echo and Apple HomeKit. I don't know. All those different things. You'll be able to control it. And you can go, okay Google, turn the desk lamp down to 50%. So you do have a lot of control when it comes to connecting it with your smart devices. Now, I really wanted to like this more. I really did. This was a pretty awesome light. If you don't touch it, that is. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not touching it. I will never touch this again, and I hope it'll last me a really long time. And if it doesn't, then I'm just going to take it apart and I'm going to see if I can't repair it myself. Because everything online says, do not buy this product. It is complete garbage. So many people have gone through 2, 3, and sometimes even more before they finally give up on it and go with something else. So me personally, I'm going to keep this until it doesn't go anymore. Then I'll go ahead and try to fix it. But if you're one of those people that are kind of contemplating on buying this or not, see if there's an alternative. Philips Hue has other LED little lights, so that might be an option for you as well. But for me, I do enjoy the Bloom, but I'm not going to be able to recommend it to anyone just because all the stuff that I've read about it, there is not one good thing that I've found. But besides when it is working, it works great. Okay Google, turn the desk lamp up to 100%.
Okay, setting the desk lamp brightness to 100%.
So I had a little bit of a shadow from my one light coming this way, so I decided I'd turn it back up there so you didn't see the shadow that was hiding in the corner there. My light's a little bright, I should back it up a little bit, but I'm not really too worried about that now because this video is over. That's it. Yeah, if you get this, make sure you get a really good deal on it. Don't go out and just decide that you want this unit. And yeah, I can't say enough about how much you should be leery about buying this unit. Like the first unit, 100% dead out of the box, which was a little bit of a letdown. But I went the hour-long trip there and back to where this was purchased and swapped it out and got a working one. Now, the only feature I have not actually tried on here is actually syncing it with music and movies, but I'm going to play around with that in the future. But it's not really going to be more than just a light in the background here, so I'm not too worried about playing with that. I do like that. It looks good to me, anyways. If you don't like it, well, whatever. It's not what you like, or is it? Who cares? Anyways, I enjoy the light. It's there. It's better than looking at a gray wall until I can figure out something else to go up top here or over here along the back wall. It's a good option. I do have some LED strip lighting, which might be an option to go along the back there as well. But I like how it actually does build up around here like that. But anyways, that's it for me for today. Thanks for watching, everyone. You have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and we'll see you next time. Take care, eh?